Hey, hey guys, listen. I need to show y'all that I'm in a fucking sandstorm, alright? We're trying to load up our trucks. But it's a fucking sandstorm. Look outside. You can't see shit. What the fuck can you see? You can't see shit. Look at that. Look at that shit. That is fucking crazy. It's making me sneeze. Look at that shit. Oh my god! Get me out of this fucking sandbox! God damn it! Look at that shit. You can't even see that vehicle over there. Look at that shit. It's fucking crazy, man. Alright, I'm turning it off now.